In this Inkscape tutorial, I'll show you how to change the paint, the fill color, and the outline color of any object. In Inkscape, the outline is called the stroke, not the outline. So if you see stroke, it means the outside or the outline of any shape. And the inside is called the fill color. So we can use different fill colors at the bottom of the canvas. So we have many options to change to fill the inside of the color. We could go to object menu, choose fill and stroke, and control the fill. We have many colors. You could use a triangle to change the colors. You could go inside the triangle to have more options. You could use the gradient tool to use a gradient, different gradient options, or you could use different tab stroke paints, so we could change the fill and the stroke, or you could select a gradient stroke as well. Just more options. You could increase the size, the width of the stroke or the outline. You could use a dotted line or a dashed line for your stroke or the outline. It's just different ways to change the setting. Again, we can change the stroke paint, or we could deselect the stroke paint as well. If you click X, so just gives us more controls. If we go inside the triangle, X deselects the stroke paint or the fill paint. We have more controls at the bottom as well, where we could use shift control. You could hold shift and click X to remove the outline, or you could hold control and click X to remove the fill, or you could hold shift and pick any color to add an outline color to your shape. So it's just an easier way to do it, instead of doing going to fill and stroke in the object menu and changing the outline color and the fill color. I think it's a convenient way when you are working with many shapes. It's easier to just use the keyboard and the control. We could also use the gradient. Gives us more control, more handles to change the direction of the gradient and the strength of the gradient as well. So this shows us these handles. So we have a square handle and circle icon or handle. So you could see you could change the direction and the strength of the gradient. So we could increase or decrease, going from the left to the right. Just play with it. We could even start the gradient in the middle, and we can manipulate as to where the gradient is spread. So we can go up, we can go stay in the middle and just spread out vertically or horizontally, or we could control the shape, the whole shape, and change its gradient. We can also use the dropper tool, which means we can copy the color from any image and fill on the shape. So you go fill in stroke, and then you pick the dropper menu, select any color you'd like from a shape, and then copy on the object. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.